Yes. A container shaped like a right circular cylinder having diameter 12 centimeter and height 15 centimeter is full of ice cream. Okay. We're given a container. Diameter is 12. So what is going to be the radius, children?
6 centimeter.
6 centimeter.
Ma'am,
6
6 centimeters.
centimeter.
6 centimeter. And the height is given to be 15. Height is given to be 15 centimeter. This is full of
Ice
ice
cream.
cream.
Ice cream.
Have you seen such containers, party packs? When you go to some parties, there are big ice cream
Yes, ma'am.
cans, party pack available. Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
So it is such one party pack available. Now this ice cream is to be filled into cones of height 12 centimeter and diameter 6 centimeter. अब इस आइसक्रीम को कोन्स में भरना है. What is the height of the cone given to us?
12 centimeter.
Ma'am,
12 centimeter.
12 centimeter.
12 centimeters.
And radius?
3.
Radius?
Centimeter.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
3.
मैम वीडियो पॉज होगी.
The top, having a hemispherical shape on the top. Now what is the shape on the top?
Hemisphere.
Hemispherical.
So this is this cylindrical ice cream. The ice cream from this cylindrical pack has to be filled into the cones, right? Now the question is, find the number of such cones which can be filled with ice cream. Obviously, the cone is much smaller in size as compared to this cylindrical pack of ice cream. Yes, beta. So how many such cones can be filled, that we have to find. What is the formula for finding number of anything?
X into the
X into the volume of.
Suppose there are X such cones. Now, how to find the volume of one cone? Children, the name is cone. But in the formula for finding the volume of cone, we will have volume of cone plus
Volume of
Plus
sphere.
Volume of hemisphere.
It will give us the volume of one
Hemisphere, sir.
ice cream cone. ठीक है? Suppose मान लेते हैं. Suppose मान लेते हैं this is 50 centimeter cube. Suppose, I don't know how much it is. And suppose this is 400 centimeter cube. Then how many cones can be filled?
Ma'am 400 by
20.
400
by
divided
50.
400 divided by 50.
We will be
Ma'am.
doing 400 divided by 50. How many?
8 cones.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
8
8
cones.
cones.
Ma'am 8 cones.
So is it like total ice cream available upon me ice cream to be put in one cone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We are going to do here. That is what we are going to do here. Is the question clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's do this. For cylinder, let radius capital R is 12 by 2 is 6 centimeter and height, let me take it to be capital H, which is equal to 15 centimeter. For ice cream cone, let radius small r 6 by 2 is equal to 3 centimeter and height, let us take it to be small h, 12 centimeter. Right? Now, number of cones that can be filled with ice cream. मजा आ गया, सुबह सुबह लड्डू भी मिल गया, आइसक्रीम भी मिल गई. Is equal to volume of cylinder divided by volume of one ice cream cone. जी बेटा, total volume divided by volume of one, or it would be better if we write like this, like volume of ice cream in cylinder. Okay. Now here you can write this as cone plus hemisphere. Here itself you can mention, otherwise we'll have to repeat all the steps again and again. Now children, what is the formula for volume of cylinder?
Pi r square.
Square H.
And capital H here. Volume of cone.
1/3 pi r
1/3 pi r square.
And volume of hemisphere.
2/3
pi r cube.
G beta. Now let us see what can be taken common in the denominator. So this is pi r square h as it is. In the denominator, what can be taken common?
1 pi r.
1/3 pi r square.
Pi r square.
1/3.
So 1/3 pi r square. In the bracket you will have h, and here beta you will have 2r.
2r.
Okay. Fine. Now what can be cancelled? Pi and pi gone.
Pi.
This 3 will be there in the numerator. So this become 3. This is 3. R is, capital R is 6 centimeter into 6 centimeter into 15 centimeter divided by small r square. What is small r square?
3
3
centimeter.
centimeter into
3
3
centimeters.
Into
and h is small h. 12 plus 2 into 3. This is again centimeter. So now in the numerator 3 centimeters are there. So centimeters will get cancelled. Centimeter, centimeter, centimeter. This all will get cancelled. Okay, beta. Now 2 into 3. 6. 12 plus 6. 18.
18.
Whatever can be cancelled, cancel kar do. 3 and 3 cancel. 3 ones are, this is 2. So I have 2 into 6 into 15 divided by 18. Now again, 6 ones are, this is 3s are, 3 ones are, 5s are. 5 into 2, 10.
10.
Okay. So 10 ice cream cones can be filled.